Okay, so in this case here, our LCD is going to be those three variables. These are three separate variables, R1, R2, and R3. So our LCD is R1, R2, R3. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3. Okay, and then I'm going to start canceling terms. Okay, so again, our goal is to get rid of the denominator. We have our LCD, so it allows us to do that. So the R1s are going to go away on the first term, the R2s are going to go away on the second term, and the R3s are going to go away on the third term. So then we are left with R2, R3. This one we will be left with R1, R3, and this one will be left with R1, R2. Okay. So again, our goal is to solve for R2. So notice that our R2s are on both sides. So R2 is here, and then R2 is also here. Okay. So we want to combine those together. So we're going to move that term to the left. So we are going to have R2, R3 minus R1, R3. So basically I'm just subtracting R1, R2 on both sides. Okay, so that's how I'm able to do it. So anytime you want to bring something to the other side, you do the opposite operation. Okay, then we're going to factor. Okay, I messed up somewhere. Okay, let me erase that. So I put a R1, R3, that should have been R1, R2. Okay, because it's R1, R2 when you bring it over. Okay. All right, so we get R2, R3 minus R1, R2. And then again, notice that we have the R2s here. So that means we can factor that out. So we have R2, R3 minus R1 equals R1, R3. Then divide both sides by R3 minus R1, and then R3 minus R1. So that cancels. So then we are left with R2 is equal to R1, R3, and then R3 minus R1. And then that would be our answer there.